excited? You guys want to go for a laundry ride? Let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Was that fun? Yeah? Was it fun? Did you like it? Did you like it, Opie? Did you like it, love? Oh, let's get Angel. Angel, come. Where's Angel? Angel, come. Come. Wait. Angel. Good. Let's go. All right, ready? Yeah. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Good boys. You like it? Hi. You like your laundry, right? Good. Okay, guys, that's it. Like this video. Give us a thumbs up and follow us on YouTube, Caroline One Petzold, and here on Facebook, Dino the Lorry, and on Instagram, Angelic Parrot.